Nice to meet you. 여러분 만나서 반갑습니다. This is a free Korean channel, and today is the third session on Korean consonant and vowel. The topic we will cover today is the 6 vowels with the E sound. Before starting the video, please download the materials from the link in the YouTube description. In the last video, we learned the 8 basic vowels pronounced at once. Today's content includes the 6 vowels which add E sound to the basic vowels. Now, let's take a look at today's goals. Today's learning objectives. First, read the 6 vowels accurately. Second, write 6 vowels combined with consonant. Third, read and write words in which consonants are combined with the 6 vowels. If you achieve these goals, you can consider that you have mastered today's content. Here is table of contents. The video will proceed in this order. Now let's begin with today's main content. The vowels with the E sound are created by adding strokes to the basic vowels. When learning these vowels, it's important to pay attention to pronunciation. Let's look through one by one. First, we have ya, formed by adding a stroke to a. And second, yo is formed by adding a stroke to a. And yo, you, ye are also formed by adding a stroke to o, u, e. Now let's explore the pronunciation of these 6 vowels. There is a table with Korean vowels and English words containing similar pronunciation each other. Comparing both can be helpful for your learning. Today's vowels are pronounced quickly by adding E sound to the basic vowels. Try speak with me. First, ya combines A sound with E sound and speak rapidly like I-a, ya, ya, like this. And this sound is similar to ya sound in yard. Second is yo, is speak as I-o, yo, yummy. Third, yo is I-o, yo, yo. And you is I-u, you. And ye is I-e, yes. Last, ye is I-e, yeah. Here is a question. Do you feel the difference between ye and ye? Most modern Koreans do not distinguish two sounds. They can be pronounced the same way. Let's move on to the next topic. We're gonna explore how to write the vowels. As you may already know, all Korean characters are written from left to right, top to bottom. I will guide you through writing each one with ing. Please find the writing tools and try writing along with me. First, ya, write like this, and yo, and yo, and you, and yeah. Last, yeah. Now let's practice what we've learned today. We write the 6 vowels without ing. I will read and write, and you can pause the video to fill in all the blanks. First, ya, and yo, you, yeah. Next, we will write the 6 vowels with combining them with ian. I speak and write them, you pause the video and fill in all the blanks. Let's go. 야, 여, 요, 유, 예, like this. Well done. And third assignment is writing vowels with consonant. It is practice of combining the basic 10 consonants we learned in the previous lesson. I will speak and write, and you pause the video and write along. Here are today's words. I have prepared 6 basic words, including the vowel learned today. Let's read and write together. First, 야구, baseball. Second, 여자, woman. And 유리, glass. And 요리, cooking. And 예매, booking a ticket. And 얘기, talk. And 얘기 is a short form of 이야기, which means talk or story. The final task is dictation. Listen to the words I say and write them down. Number 1. 유리, 유리. Number 2. 여자, 여자. Number 3. 야구, 야구. Number 4. 예매, 예매. And number 5. 요리, 요리. Number 6. 얘기, 얘기. Okay, here are the answer. Number 1, 유리. Number 2, 여자. Number 3, 야구. Number 4, 예매. Number 5, 요리. Number 6, 얘기. Did you get the right answers? All the contents prepared for today is now complete. Thank you for watching and studying. How did you achieve today's goals? In the next session, I will bring videos related to consonant. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day. 안녕.